as of now, we have not yet applied for the visa. We are waiting for our CAS, which is something that I'll get after my interview. So after I'm done with my interview, we'll be applying for visa, and again, it's gonna be done through the Study Smart itself. So they made sure that it's gonna be done within like 2-3 weeks on tops, and I'll have my visa. So right now, I really have not any sort of like strong foundational information regarding how that process is gonna be. It's just they said that you have to be prepared for the visa interview. It's gonna be a little tough. So, just make sure that you're prepping yourself well. You have to be fluent with your answers. You have to know what you're actually doing, and you have to be confident enough to put yourself out there, because they need to be convinced a lot. Basically, your whole application process revolves around your SOP, how you write it and how you present yourself to the university you're applying to. So initially, I spoke to a lot of my friends, like, how do you begin with, what all do you add, how is the way to go around it, like, what all points to be covered and everything. And they just told me like a few steps that you need to just have 3 parts in it, and that's exactly what I followed. You need to relate your idea of studying the course that you want to with the person you are. Why do you want to do it, and what part of the university you want to go attracted you towards it? Like, what was the selling point of the university which made you think, okay, this is the place I want to study, this is the place I want to live my next 1, 2, 3 years in? So I feel like that really helped me a lot, like these 3 points. I'll just say one thing, that if it makes you happy, go for it. If it's something that gives you that motivation, okay, if they can do it, why can I not do it? Why can I not do it? Like, if it actually gives you that kick, go for it. And if you and parents, to be honest, are really the most amazing beings. They are the most supportive beings. They're gonna always love you and support you. So make better use of it, because 10 years down the lane, when you look back at it, you're gonna be proud of yourself. You're gonna be happy that you made the decision of moving away, even though it's gonna be a little difficult. You have to be mentally prepared for it. I am already mentally prepared for it, that initially it's going to be really difficult. Probably I'm going to cry every other night coming back home from college and from part-time, but just so I know that it's going to be worth it. When you look back at it, it's going to be worth it.